Hi dolls! Congratulations to Poarch for releasing her new video. So today I thought I'd create a look since Poarch just released her new music video yesterday and it is trending and got me inspired to do a little look. This is not a transformation look or anything, but just an inspired look. What if one of the girls on the conveyor belt? And this would definitely be the look that I would like to have on me. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So, ang gusto ko sana dito sa look na to is yung parang, one of the girls. It's not gonna be a transformation look. It's really just inspired look. So, I already have my hair done. Ito yung parang gusto kong tsura kung katabi ako ni Bella dun sa, dun sa conveyor belt. Transporting all those beautiful heads. So, let's get to primer. I am using this primer, Quick Fix. Comment down below kung ano ba siya talaga. Don't forget to prime even if it's a simple look because itong sa primer talaga helps the product, especially the foundation and the concealer. Okay, ready for foundation. May ano pa rin talaga ako dito sa part na to shadow. So, medyo struggle ko tong side na to. Hopefully soon, I'd get enough budget or more lighting. Paubos na siya. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. I'm thinking of trying Maybelline Super Stay, so you might see it here soon. By the way, let's talk about the music video. To be honest, when Bella started singing, sa TikTok, showing off her skills, her talent, I kind of expected na pwede siya mag-venture out sa iba pa na pwede niyang gawin. So, ayun, it's really, parang hindi man sobrang expected, but it's something na I won't be surprised for her to see doing because she's really talented and she's really pretty. Oh yeah, and then the voice, in fairness, I'm gonna say ang ganda ng boses niya. Although she's giving me the Ariana Grande vibe, but that's just me. Parang the boses, the huskiness, yung parang ganon, is giving Ariana Grande vibe, but that's just probably me. Tapos, what I really like about the song is very empowering to women, telling parang more of siya, mas dedicated to the voice out there, thinking na okay lang to tell your girl to be this, to be a little more that, na no, you don't get to choose. This ain't Build a Bee. So I like it. I like that part na very empowering to women na you be comfortable being you. You're not perfect and nobody is, even Poarch, which is pretty perfect for me, diba? So ayun, I love the message that she's conveying doon sa song. Tapos, isa pang favorite part ko, go to the lyrics muna. I'm filled with flaws and attitude. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Boom! Girl! And then, ang ganda nung pagkakagawa ng lyrics. So verse 1 goes, Bob the Builder broke my heart, told me I need fixing. Which happens quite often than, you think. Some men thought na, well, actually, may mga babae din na feeling nila they can fix their man and such. So, no. said that I'm just nuts and bolts. Lots of parts were missing. I like that. Again, nobody's perfect, so what else do I find really catchy lyrics? The second verse. Boys are always playing dolls, looking for their Barbie. Oh, this is so cute, diba? They're looking for something that they can, or someone, pwede nilang i-trophy. Parang ganun. They don't look like Ken at all. Hardly have a heartbeat. I so like that. Parang ano, may konting shade to all those men. Akala mo kung makapili, akala mo mukhang Ken doll. Mukha namang yung ganon. So, ang cute ng lyrics na yun. Tapos, hardly have a heartbeat. Like hello. Plus the look. Let's see the lids. There's nothing much sa lids actually. So, ano lang talaga. Light lang na let's go for a little warmth. Actually, parang transition shade lang itong nilalagay ko. Kilay muna tayo. So, I'm dipping sa BYS, the darkest shade, and then we will go for a manipis lang na brows. Yun yung mga favorite part ko sa lyrics. Let's go to the music video. Sa music video, ang cute, and it's so diverse na ang dami pinama from other platforms, diba? From the stream, sa TikTok, sa YouTube. So it's so nice that she's parang putting them all together, yung ganon, yung to support one another. So nice to see a lot of faces on the video. So, merong streamer, merong andun din may mga songwriter, di ba? Ang nice. Ang hirap talaga na walang ilaw dito banda. Go back to the lids. Again, there's nothing much talaga. So, labanan na lang ng lashes ang nangyari. I guess, little blush and then nude lips. For blush, since very natural lang yung mga tone ng makeup, and warmth lang ng very ako na-realize, hindi na ako nakapag-bake. Alam ko na kung bakit hindi ako nakapag-bake. Kasi diba nga, pag nagbe-bake ako, kapag meron akong eyeshadow na kapag may magpo-fall off, yun yung sasabay ko tanggalin. Baka kaya, nakalimutan ko siya. But anyway, it's okay. Dust off na lang muna tayo for now since the look is pretty simple. Nothing much going on. So, here's my inspired look sa new music video ni Bellapoarch, and I like it. Walang masyadong accessory, walang masyadong paandar sa eyes. There's not much highlighting going on because the look is pretty simple actually from the music video, and I thought I'd give this simple, quick look. It's an inspired look. So, alam mo yun, parang wishful thinking lang. What if I'm with the girls dun sa conveyor belt? So, yeah, I think this would be the look I'd be doing. This is the inspired look, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it. Hope to see you on the next video. See you, doll!